game play dates ng ating elimination round. Tayo naman po ay babalik dito sa Bukawi, Bulacan para sa mga mainit na aksyon. Dalawang laro na mainit na aksyon dito po sa iyong Sinag Liga Asia. Mula po dito sa JA here in Bukawi, Bulacan. As we take a look sa Republic kontra Exile. Second game natin later on. BPD kontra sa home squad. JJB, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and all over the world. Ako po yan, kasama po natin Mr. Deep Voice himself, Mr. Ryan Paharo Ryan, and YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV. And syempre, pinag-usapan na natin ng teams. Number 2 are already Sportswear Sea Lions. Sila na po ang number 8 sa ating team standings heading into the playoffs. So, ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, the last 2 spots sa ating twice to beat advantage spots. Sino ba ang aangat sa ating team standings to get that much needed? And sino ba yung bababa dun sa latter bracket?
And we're coming to you live inside the JL Champions Court, Bocangwe, Bulacan. Welcome to Sinag Lakas, Calibre 45. Fresh official FB page and YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV, powered by Converge. And also link. It's a Thursday doubleheader games featuring our first match, Exile. Shooting guard number 11, Joel Requez. Small forward number 79, Andrew Requez. Power pop and center number 2, Erson Birds Ezuga.
And etong si Romel Semilia. Muli po, Alvin Tanyana together with Oliveros. Breaking away, Oliveros. Mandatory substitution. Pero may iiwan pa rin si Romel Semilia dito dahil siya nga yung titira ng dalawa.
Yeah.
Mamaya ay papalitan. Tonino Tayaw. 3-pointer. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin napabubus ng field goal ang Malolos.
And that's an
Pass. Here, the spin del Rosario. Carlos, the jumper is good.
so
Tonino Taya, huli ni del Rosario.
maganda pa depensa.
Tonino Taya, huli ni del Rosario.
Maganda pa depensa.
Marreyes, the break. To boom Labrusca. Labrusca, no. Rebound picked up by Tayaw. 1 out of 10, 10% shooting make that roughly 1 out of 10, 10% shooting make that roughly 9% na.
That's right.
Marreyes, uy! Tayaw. Fouled by Carus. Nahuli.
Sa Exile talagang dinidiin nila yung depensa, not only on inside but also outside. They always close the shooters. And
At the post. Binigay dito and may foul. Si Del Rosario. Del Rosario.
dahil pa-penalty na ang Exile.
Oo, pero yung Malolos, in team penalty already. Pero another steal here. Labrusca.
Penalty na ang Exile.
Oo, pero yung Malolos, in team penalty already. Pero another steal. And may konting tulakan. Foul
foul.
tatawag dito kay Del Rosario at 2 shots.
Yeah, the both
Para
teams in
ibalik.
penalty.
Ito, while for Malolos Republic, the third unit will show up in the second quarter of play.
Correct.
Del Rosario, wala pa. Del Rosario now getting to this kasama nila Boom Labrusca, pero malaking bagay yan. And Lieses, blocking foul yun. Kitang-kita. DJ De Jesus.
So that's another foul on the Rosario. Pangalawa na yan. And penalty situation for both squads.
Tingnan natin tong
Nobody scored for Malolos except him.
yeah, Ginto and
We have another one.
oo, tingnan natin mamaya sa ating scoring. Pero Boom Labrusca.
We have another one.
Oo, tingnan natin mamaya sa ating scoring. Pero Boom Labrusca. Barreling his way inside and that goes out. 6 seconds remaining on the clock.
Gotcha time for Malolos.
Our first quarter of action. Kung saan in the second quarter, our score 29-7. 14 points for this squad of Cable Link E-Holdings Corporation. I would like We would like to thank them for their support to Sinag Liga Asia. As we are about to start the third quarter. Money ball is good!
Aba ng Exile, ha?
Ganda na naman ang panimula nitong Exile. And out of the 15th score na dito, tatlo ang hindi pa nakaka-score. They have Joel Reques, who was our player of the game last game. Nakaka-score. They have Joel Reques, who was our player of the game last game. Wala pa. Del Rosario now getting to the scoring picture now. So dalawa na lang, si Boom Labrusca at saka si Joel Reques. Sana huli ni Joel Reques. Lakas block of the quarter. 0107 Management Group Incorporated.
Magandang transition defense yung pinakita.
Boom Labrusca, the pass. On fire from 3, no good. Rebound by Del Rosario. Del Rosario. Reques is settled down. Joel Reques. Medina to Del Rosario. Del Rosario moves in the reverse. Del Rosario moves in the reverse. Getting to the scoring picture now. Kaya lang may foul.
Foul away from the play, Alvin.
4.
And Del Rosario now has 4 personal fouls, Alvin.
Yun, yung pang-4. Now it's Andrew Reques bringing down the ball. Wala talagang point guard ngayon dito itong kuna ng Exile with Oliveros and Aguilera as the jumpers. Smooth jumper schedule. They have taken home the victory. Kung saan nga po, it is an 88-74 win for Exile. Again, our final score, 88-74. Yun nga po ang ating final score dito